What's up, my YouTube fam? How you all doing? Okay, so this video was requested, and if you guys see me looking, I'm looking outside because I'm close by the window. This video was requested for a while now, and people keep asking me do this video on Jamaican men, how I feel about Jamaican men. Let me tell you something. I am not here to bash everybody. Make sure I said that before. But I am going to talk about my experience, my family experience, my friends' experience. I am going to put it all together and explain to you how I feel. Alright. And this don't go for everybody. So if this don't go for you, have a seat, okay? Sit down, cause I might step on some people can, but I'm speaking from my heart. I don't have a notebook or anything. I'm just speaking from my experience around with the ladies that I am around. I know that is what me I come out from. Alright, so as you all know, if you follow me, my grandmother have 18 kids by my mother's side, and 4 girls. My mother is one of them. She only have 4 girls. So that means say me know a lot of men, and they have kids, and kids have kids. Me used to work in an office with so many men, and where me used to work, oh my god, them dead down there, so galore. So me know men, and me learn a lot from men. Me a brother, so I may have a lot of man friends, because me used to rather have a man friend and woman friend growing up. So me learned so much about men. When you say growing up, I mean like after me start have kids and become a woman in my early 20s, me did choose to have man friend. When we did younger, men used to pick on me a lot. So that is a different kettle of fish. Alright, so I'm gonna explain to you know how me feel, because I did the video about Jamaican women and me get requested over and over for the one about Jamaican man. One thing with some Jamaican man, they cheat. Yeah. Like it in and out of season. And me notice it, you know. It's like a trend with the shorter man them. Like them skin can't, them skin, the shorter man them when they run me, is like them can't satisfy, them kin can't, them kin catch a fire when they see woman. All when they have their woman live with, it's like them cannot keep themselves quiet. Yeah. Another thing is, some Jamaican man, once you tell them say you're pregnant, that is it. You and them we are go good, you know. I want to have a good relationship all along. And then boom, once you're pregnant, everything change. In a Jamaica, I would say maybe about 80% a father really stand up and take care of them child. 50-50. 20%, sorry. 20%. You have some lady that have all 6 pitney for 5-4 different man. Speaking from experience. And none of them father not their own. So then gone. And them go find another woman get pregnant, and they have another woman get pregnant. And this is how the trend is. So over the years that I've seen and communicate with men, it's like a lot of them don't believe in a marriage, especially at a young age. They don't. They just want to sleep with Tom, Dick, and Harry. Well, not Tom, because just say Paul, Paula, Pam, Janet, whatever their name is. Them want to sleep. They just want to sleep around. They don't mind can have all 10 women with 10 different pitney. They no care. But then when the baby forget feeding and you call them, if you and them not there, or them not get little front, nobody call them. If them not get little front, when you call them and say the baby want a pampers or the baby want a tin of feeding, don't call them, because them want front. They don't care about the pitney. And this is something when we think say need to change in our culture, because a lot of the kids them grow up with their mother and their mother resent them because of how them father treat them. And this is why you see so many of the kids them grow up now and being so bitter against each other, because it's just a single parent. Even though I grow my 4 kids as a single parent, so that shouldn't be no excuse. But it's not everybody have that mindset for raise a child on them own. You get what I mean? So this is a lot of things in our culture, a lot of things in our culture that causes so much bitterness towards each other. They don't grow up with that love. I didn't grow up with love. I didn't grow up with love. Like, nobody ever tell me so them love me. And I have 4 kids. So how do I change that bitterness and divert it into caring for my kids them? I feel like I could have do a better job by telling my kids them how much I love them by words. But the sacrifice that I made as a mother, them realize how much I love them. Them see the sacrifice that I've made. But this is it. It's like, because you don't, and then when you have the kids them at a young age, like the story change. We're supposed to stick to man, right? When you have the kids them at such a young age, then you don't really know how to express love to them, because you know see it in your whole surrounded growing up. And sometimes you wonder if that is one of the reasons why the boys them, the men them act like that as well. But anyways, go back to the man them. The next thing with them, then we have their woman at their yard and they out there, and they tell the woman, when they meet another woman out there, them tell the woman them say them not have nobody. And how them give you, let me tell you, Jamaican man, let me say Jamaican men, some of Jamaican men, they're not affectionists. They're not affection. They don't know how to show affection. You see when them want you, them mouth sweeter them for them mouth you cannot find. Them mouth sweet, them give you the most dreamy eyes, them most, and once them get where them want, that's it. You see, if you don't figure out man from early out, you will get a lot of damage, a heartbreak. You have to be in that mindset with them. You have to get in them head first before you sleep with them. Get in them head first before you sleep with them, because when them love and care for you, one thing, when them love and care for you, them will love and care for you. But sometimes them love and care for you, but them don't know how to show you. Them don't know how to show affection. But I'm going to teach you how you can show affection. I'm going to do that in another video. Drop it in the comment section if you don't want me to teach you how to show affection to a woman. Another thing is, a lot of them would go a party, the younger ones them especially. They will go a party. Even some of the big ones them go a party. And then we find money to go buy clothes, just like the woman them. Or vice versa. Them buy the most expensive clothes to go a party, just so women see them. And they have a woman at their yard. And then have the money for left put on the table for buy food. A lot of them will come home and look on you as the woman to provide for them. They don't mind you cook and share them dinner, put on table, give them for eat, without them knowing where the money come from for provide it. And that is so wrong. let me tell you, you see, a man must provide. A man must provide for their home and them family. If it's not equally, they're supposed to do 60-70%. Jamaican man, a lot of them don't believe in that. A lot of them don't believe in it. Some of them will go all out, don't get me wrong. You have some good ones. But may I tell you, some of them don't mind. You put everything on a platter, give them. I've been there. May I speak from experience? And as I say, I have a whole heap of people when I know, grew up, work amongst, I know what I'm talking about. The other thing with some Jamaican man, when you give them the nookie, them go tell them friend, if you big up them status, if you make them feel big, yeah, them a watch that girl they all long, and them finally get the something, and then go tell them friend, yeah, they go tell them friend, and when you are walk past them, friend, them and them friend, you can feel, so them a chat you. Then do it. You know, this is something when my father did tell me when we are 19 plus 20. Him say, sometimes I just move, go to Kingston, go live from Clarendon. And him said to me, say, in your neighborhood where you live, don't sleep with no man. That was something I will never forget. Because you're going to hear it back on the road. When my father said that to me, it opened up my eyes wide. Because there was this guy in the neighborhood who liked me, and we did like him too. And from him said that, me is a private person. And if you know, say, me I go walk past and hear people call me name and I chat me. Another thing is, me work around so many men in that company where me used to work with. And me listen to all them chat to man. And let me tell you, several of them did like me. When me tell you, say several, a lot of them. If me did give them the opportunity, if me was the kind of loose person, maybe about 10 of them, me would have slept with them. But because me know myself, and me know my worth, that never happened. It no matter how much them come down for me, and when me tell us that them come down for me like, you would have give up. If I did some woman, them would have give in. I'll come at my door and at night come knock my window because they know where me live. To let them in my house. That was how obsessed them was. Yeah. Man from a workplace do that. Them know where me live. Them know so me not live with nobody. Them know so me not have no boyfriend. And them come at my window, knock on my window. To let them in my house. That is how much they did have man at my workplace obsessed with me. And them have them woman. Yeah. But because me no yammed and me no fool, never sleep with none of them. And it feels so good to be proud and know say your dignity hold firm. And them cannot say them did sleep with me. None of them cannot go talk with each other, because when you hear all them talk to them one another about a girl, it make your skin crawl. And you go actually make them do that to you when you know say them do that to others. You have to be smart. The next thing is with Jamaican man. When they love you, they love you. When they love you, they will wash, they will cook, they will clean, they will wash even your underwear. But when them use you, you can know. And you have some of them will now wash your underwear. Them now wash it. Them not even gonna take it up if you wash it and put it on the line. I remember, let's tell you that story here. I remember my baby father used to be at the house, and wash and gone and rain a come down. And when I come home, me see the whole of my panty them on the line. And my clothes them. Well, them time them never used to wash my panty and put them online, but me still sometimes me still wash. Me we have like 1 or 2. And if me have me panty them, I got them on the line. And even my daughter them panty did them on the line. But the fact of the matter is that me come home and me see my panty them on the line and every clothes is take off. That was a turn off to me. Because when night come, you are take off my panty. So if you take it off, me not understand why you can't take it up off of the line. That was a turn off when we see that one. When me ask him why my panty left on the line, him say him no want nobody see me take up my panty. Idiot. Anyways, that is not just him. That was just a whole, like 80% in a them times. 80%. Them time there I think I was like 20. 80% of Jamaican men used to not taking up them woman panty off a line, or them wouldn't wash them woman panty with them hand. They wouldn't do it. They say them have to sick, and if they're sick, they wouldn't have to get somebody to do it. That is ridiculous. The thing is, as a man, you sleep with a woman, you want your woman to feel good and comfortable in any way possible, mentally, physically, emotionally. You gotta love up on your woman, and that is one thing that a woman look to you for respect her, you know. But I gotta tell you, say go wash my panty. No, I can't wash my panty myself. But at the end of the day, if you go do laundry, say you're washing at the machine and my other panty, then you go take it out and leave it. That's crazy. The next thing, as I say, drop in the comment section if you don't want me to teach you how to be affection. Be affection to no woman. Show no woman love and affection. You hear me tell you? Because I know about it. You see, it's not the big things that you do for a woman. Sometimes it's the little things that make a woman inspired. Looking at my face, looking at my eyes, them good. Is the little things sometimes make a woman. I'm not go in there because I feel like I'm so tempted for just go in a hole and to express things to make a woman love up on you. Do things to make a woman love up on you. Like, it's so much. I mean, I have so much when I want to talk, but I don't want my video go too long because that's hard to upload. So it's hard to upload. I notice it like anytime me, me do a video and it long, it's hard to upload. So, as I was saying, guys, please like the video. Like the video, leave your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me what you think. A Jamaican man, some of them don't want to work. Some of them, oh yeah, they work, then we work. Then we work and then we take care of the woman. But that is not a lot of them. You hear me tell you? Not a lot of them. They like, a lot of them don't believe in a mining woman. They don't. They don't believe that them for mine woman. Well, luckily I am one of that person we don't expect you to mind me because I'm so independent. Like me make me want money. Me we always go to go work. From a little bit till now, me I go to market go sell orange and stuff. So me have that mentality of working for me one from a very early age. So if you they are the one of them woman they will slung away for sugar daddy and all that, kudos to you, you might find it, but I'm not that person. But a lot of them don't believe in a mining woman. There is so much more, but I might do a next video because I didn't write things down. I think I should have write down with me, a list. But I might do another video. I might come back with another video because as I said, I don't want the video too long. But bless upon yourself, drop it in the comment section, give me on the thoughts. Jamaican man, them need to change and divert certain things, especially when it come on to them children. Because, the children them grew up because with this resentness from their mother, always have to be worrying about them, always have to provide for them. So the mother always have to think out of the box what to do for the child. So because of that, the mother don't focus too much on the love that the children them supposed to get. And when you grow up, you realize that you lack of love, and you don't realize that the kids them don't get love. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think. You have some good man at Jamaican, because you know me used to say, give me a Jamaican man. One thing for sure where Jamaican man have is what they have in their pants. And that them feel like say I go carry them go through the world. Them feel like that I go get them everywhere. Cause when you come on to the party, I have friends, I have family, and a lot of them talk about it. Them man them satisfy them when they come on to the party. But in all other aspect, them complain. So what is causing the problem? Me married to a Jamaican man, and believe me, all the women talked to before, if you sum it up, them still don't come up to him. He's not perfect, but nobody is. Me not perfect either. But we work on things, and we try to adjust, and we try to talk about what we would want to be changed. You know, sometimes it might not change, but it's a process. And when you're married to somebody, married is a job. It's a work, and you have to keep working at it. It's not going to be perfect, because nobody is perfect. But it is a job, and you have to compromise. But the true thing about Jamaican man, that some of them are loving, and they would do anything for you if they love you. But if them come for use you, nothing you can do for keep them. Because they not fall in love so easily. They don't. They have this wall built up where they don't show emotions like that. Like you find very few men at Jamaican where we show emotions. Them just, me don't know. Them don't show emotions. You know? I know my husband since 2000. I know my husband for what? 18 years? But we're together for 16 years. And let me tell you something. It's 2 times I ever see him cry. 2 times I ever see eye water come out of eye. So they don't show emotions. And my husband is more like, him actually make me understand what love is, because me never know what love was. So the more, you know, it make me understand what it was. There is a lot more, may tell you now in another video. Best up in a nice clean self, and I'll share more, guys. Drop it in the comment section, and don't forget to like the video. Tell me your thoughts in the video below, in the comment section below. Love you guys. Be safe and stay blessed.